He is listening to music happily. He is listening to music happily. She is closing the door gently. She is closing the door gently. They are sitting under a shady tree. They are sitting under a shady tree. He is learning new words daily. He is learning new words daily. She is cooking rice in kitchen. She is cooking rice in kitchen. They are playing chess together. They are playing chess together. He is drawing shapes on paper. He is drawing shapes on paper. She is decorating her room nicely. She is decorating her room nicely. They are sharing their lunch happily. They are sharing their lunch happily. He is practicing writing every day. He is practicing writing every day. She is folding her clothes neatly. She is folding her clothes neatly. They are playing with balloons. They are playing with balloons. He is watching the sunset quietly. He is watching the sunset quietly. She is planting flowers in garden. She is planting flowers in garden. They are enjoying the cool breeze. They are enjoying the cool breeze.